What's going on, all my lovely people? It's your boy Damien Dupee, your number one off-market land specialist, hyper focused on the infill lots. Today I'll be coming to you talking about how to save money sending direct mail. I learned about this via a podcast I heard a while back. Just start implementing it, to be honest. Again, if I could share anything with you people, if you're reading books, you listen to podcasts, don't be consumers, if you will. Be action takers, okay? I've heard this podcast probably over a couple months ago. I'm just now starting to take action on this. And once I show you this, hopefully you can take action on this. So if you could be so kind, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like, share, and if you get any value from this epic wow content, go ahead and drop a comment. I appreciate you. Thank you for your time and consideration. In order to do this, you will need a free account for LandGrid, LandGrid. LandGrid is basically a nationwide GIS system. It does a lot of cool things. If you don't know about LandGrid, go ahead and check it out. It's a lot of tutorials, YouTube videos, but basically what we're going to use this for is to search for partials. And the way we're going to save money, ladies and gentlemen, and what I want you to know is we're going to basically go through each partial and check and make sure the land has what we call road frontage. It's not landlocked or it's not too small. And basically it's just a brief check. Just allow us to, when people call us back, these are leads that are decent lots on the surface, meaning they on a publicly maintained road. The envelope looks big enough to build on, and et cetera, et cetera. Okay. So I'm going to demonstrate this for you. You can totally 100% outsource this. If you don't have a VA on staff, you can use Fiverr, Upwork, onlinejobs.ph. Again, those free resources where you can hire virtual assistants all over the world for $3 to $4 an hour. Definitely want to make sure you use a tracker to track them. You can use Time Doctor, basically for accountability purposes. You can use Hubstaff. There is a lot of free trackers where you can track your virtual assistant screen. You can track, just giving you a little bit of tidbits on how you can outsource this once you master it and once you do it. Basically, I'm going to jump in one of my campaigns, an older campaign, and basically I'll show you exactly how to do this task. All right. All right, let's just try this one right here. All right, so basically what you want to do is take the partial ID number and you want to put it here. Again, this doesn't pull everywhere. It pulls majority of North Carolina. It looks like it's not hitting in Mecklenburg because of the way that the numbers are situated. So let me find another list that I know it will hit on. It does hit Mecklenburg County. I'm 100% sure. It's just the way that data is in that system. And I'll show you another way to do it. For demonstration purposes, I'll just pick any list. It will not pull Gaston County. I'm 100% sure. Gaston County, you will have to use the county GIS link. But let's try Atlanta. Let's see what Atlanta is hitting on. Again, you just copy the APN number and you just paste here. Okay, East Point, Georgia. I did get a hit on that one. Looks like the company name hit. So basically you want to look at this. First thing you want to do is kind of zoom in. It looks like it's a house there, but in the picture here, it looks like, so basically you want to change this to satellite view so you can see it. And as you can see, it's vacant, it's all get out, which is good. The envelope is kind of small, but I think according to this envelope and this envelope, you should be able to fit a house here. So basically, that's how you do it. And in the event, if you upload it into Pebble and you want to just mark it as a bad lot, you'll put bad lot, and you will not be able to send to those people. Especially if you're rerunning a campaign, that filter works perfectly. And in the event, what you would do is basically do a recording showing a virtual assistant how to do this. You can use a recording called Loom, Loom. Um, this allows you to record your screen. This is a free software, long as you do for 5 minutes and under. If you want to do unlimited time, basically you can pay $10 a month and you have unlimited time, unlimited videos, unlimited video storage. So if you wanted to outsource this, I would just download the free web browser Loom, record the video, make sure it's under 5 minutes. And last but not least, show your VA how to complete this task. This is time consuming, but this will save you money. So when people are calling you back, you're not getting hits on lots. And while you're doing this, ladies and gentlemen, to save money, you want to really make sure stuff has not recently traded. So tell your virtual assistant to check the last sales date. And the last sales date is typically on here. I don't see it for this one. If there's no last sales date, that's good news. But you want to make sure the lot hasn't recently traded in 2020, 2021. Again, this will save you a lot of money. Making sure the lot has road frontage, the envelope looks big enough, and last but not least, it has not recently traded. Okay. Again, another vacant lot. All right. Again, I'm looking for the last sales date. I do not see that here. Some counties it does pull it. Some counties it don't. Again, this is a free tool. Basically, again, what you want to do, ladies and gentlemen, is make sure the envelope is big enough to put a house, which that one is. And last but not least, it's on a publicly maintained road. And that's about it. Okay. So I hope you were able to get some value out of this. Again, other counties allow you to see the last sales date. So let me just try to, maybe look at something else for you. See if I can get a hit. I don't know if Tennessee will allow you to pull. Again, it's a case-by-case basis. Any event land grid is not a great fit and it's not pulling up. Just go ahead and go to the your county assessor's office or your county GIS map. Okay. Again, this is Nashville, Tennessee. I don't see the last sales date here, and property date, is that last sales date? No. Let me see which account I'm on too, because that could be affecting it if I'm not on my paid account. I'm not on my paid account, and I think the paid account will only allow you to see. I have several different accounts. I have some free accounts and some paid accounts. I think the $10 a month count, ladies and gentlemen, would allow you to see the last sales date. As you can see, the last sales date is 19/16, which is perfect. Do a couple more for you. Again, it hits on most of the lots in the country. There's just a few that it do not hit on. So again, go ahead and check it out. Hopefully it was able to add value to you in some way, form, or fashion. If you got any comments, questions, concerns, go ahead and drop them in the comments. Last but not least, before I sign off here, I'm going to give you a couple ways to get in contact with me. If you want to send me an email, my email is in the description at the bottom. I do have a community, a free Facebook group called We Are Land Specialists. The link is in the description. I do have a free resource, which is a course which teaches you how to find delinquent tax lots, how to find deals with no money. That link is in the description. Also, last but not least, I do have a joint venture partnership. I just opened the floodgates, and you can now joint venture with me. You can actually find my hunting criteria in the description. You can also submit deals to me in using the link in the description. So I do thank you for your time. You, and you. Appreciate you. Thank you. And holla at your boy. Gone!